Hello, let's learn how to use voice typing in Helperbird. Scroll down to voice typing. Click this arrow to launch the voice typing pop-up. When you're ready, click the pink button to start speaking. You might see a pop-up on your browser to allow Helperbird the permissions to use the microphone on your computer. Now, let's demonstrate the voice typing feature, full stop. Click the same pink button to stop speaking. And what you've just spoken will be displayed as text right here. If you click the Options button at the bottom, you can see you have options of how to use this text. You can listen to it back using Helperbird's text-to-speech voices and multiple languages.
Now let's demonstrate the voice typing feature.
Use the play, pause, and stop buttons to control your playback. Click Settings to adjust the text-to-speech playback with color, speed, pitch, and volume. Click Save when you're done with your choices.
Now let's demonstrate the voice typing feature.
Click X to return back to the voice typing pop-up. You can also copy your text to your clipboard, print your text, or clear it and start over. And that's how to use the voice typing features in Helperbird.